Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the system variables to personalize both email and SMS campaigns. So personalization is also referred to as mail merge, and in BitFaster there are 68 different variables that you can use. To get a list of all the variables that you can use in your campaigns, just go to view system variables and fallback. You get to see a complete list of all the variables that are part of BitFaster. Now you can use these variables anywhere in your campaigns, be it HTML campaigns or plain text campaigns, and as I also mentioned, this could be part of your SMS campaigns, so you can pretty much personalize even SMS messages that you send out. So I have created a campaign here, a sample campaign. Let me just show you the preview of this. It's got a list of all the variables. There are 68 variables, as I told you before. These are all the variable names. Please note that the column on the left is without the square brackets, because in BitFaster a system variable is represented this way. It is case sensitive, plus it is always enclosed in square brackets, and there is no space in the characters. So you can see the entire list of 68 variables. Please note, when we go for personalization as a preview here, you will not be able to see the campaign ID. That's why I have mentioned this message. This will get personalized only when the campaign is sent. Otherwise you will just see this particular variable as it is. Now let's go back to Faster. I have already added a contact in the contact manager, as you can see here, and I have filled up all the variables or all the fields. Basically in BitFaster, the field names that you see here become the variables themselves. So you can notice here that there is content in each of these fields, including the personal address tab, the business address tab. I have also put in a date of birth and anniversary, nationality, religion or faith. There is a list, predefined list, that you can pick, or you can also type in case you want to put something else. Please note that there is a limit of 20 characters. I have also defined a classification, just to show you here in the example, and I also put in a marital status. These are the social links. I just mentioned something for the sake of the example, and I have also utilized the 5 miscellaneous fields. All the 5 fields are text fields. So as you can see, I have filled up the contact details. Now in order to preview a message, that means without sending a message, if you want to see how the personalization happens for a particular contact, you can use this icon, click on this icon. So it says preview an email or SMS campaign for the selected contact. So let's click on it, select the campaign that you would like to check for personalization, and here it automatically shows preview with John's details. Let's just hit on preview. This is the personalized one. As you can see here, the variables, the list of variables which were actually on the right column have all been personalized, except for campaign ID, as I mentioned before. This happens only when you send the actual campaign, and as you can see here, it's got all the details. So when you send the campaign, this is what the person is actually going to see. So the first tab shows the list of variables, and the second tab shows the personalization that has been done. Now you can also personalize SMS messages, as I mentioned before. Let me first show you the SMS campaign that I have defined. This is the campaign. I just given it name New Year campaign. I've also put in a message. Please note this is the personalization variable. And when it comes to SMS, the campaigns are not personalized by default, because pretty much not everybody personalizes an SMS message or an SMS campaign. It's just a straightforward message. So if you are going to use the system variables, just make sure you check this box which says enable message personalization, and whatever gateway you have defined, you can just pick the gateway. I just added a record here. So if I want to see how this message is going to get personalized when I send the SMS, you can just click on the contact. Again, by default the email gets selected. Just make sure you click on SMS, select the campaign and hit preview. So as you can see here, hey John, we wish you a very happy new year. This is how it gets personalized. So you can also use personalization in the subject line of an email campaign. As you can see here, I've just defined personalization of system variables. You can pretty much mention the same thing. Let's say first name. So this is going to get personalized. Whenever you send a message, the subject line is going to be personalized. But please keep in mind that not all the variables, all the 68 variables can be used in the subject line. There are only 8 which you can use in the subject line. To know which ones you can use, let's say for example first name. Let's click on first name. In the description you will notice this piece of information which says you can use this variable in the message subject as well, whereas these do not specify that. So only those variables for which you can see this in the description are available for the subject line, otherwise no. But in the campaign body you can use all the 68 variables. So I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more about BitFaster, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please use the comments box below and we'll respond as soon as possible. You can also download BitFaster Professional for free from our website bitfaster.com, and don't forget to sign up for a free 30-day trial of BitFaster results. This is our email tracking system. You will find this option in the help menu. Help, sign up for BitFaster results. Thanks for your time and have a nice day.